was hesitating, kryptonite desires.
Guys, I just got up. It's already 8:49 in the morning. It is December 26. I don't know if I'm gonna do daily vlog, but I will try, just like what I did since day 1, since December 1. I'm gonna try to do that every day, but I'm not gonna promise. So I will try to vlog every day. I'm gonna have some breakfast. Tommy get up like 7 o'clock. Eat something. So I don't know what I'm going to eat. Oh, Andrea doesn't bring the salad back. Why? No one ate my gingerbread, guys. He's still sleeping. He's so tired. Come here. Come to Dada. Come here. You hard head. Come here. Follow me. Come here. Follow me. Come here. Go to that. Don't stop over there.
It's not postural hypertension. He's not weak status.
His life may unravel, but he's not chasing that kid.
Too bad. I should get those.
Just back down. We'll go.
And she'll never live up to the memory, and the thrill of finding her will wear off, and he won't even be able to tradition may have found long ago, Nookie, but it doesn't mean.
Am I a good girl too?
Yeah, you're a good girl too.
Yeah, like, hand, yeah,
Hey,
like, I'm not really used to like,
will be compared to the dogs. Hey, Sean.
yes, Han, we're the same Han, hearing. Oh, God, guys, it's so tired. I'm gonna go to the second floor to check what's going on up there with the cats, okay? I'm gonna bring some leather to go upstairs to... Where is it? Who is in here? Oh, Dimple Lodge. Mama has to go upstairs. Okay, Mama has to go upstairs. I'm gonna block the dog, okay? The dog can't get in here. Block the dog. Okay, let's go upstairs. You guys don't even eat the treats. You kidding me? They love their treats, but they don't even eat it. I was lying down in the couch, and masakit yung mata ko, guys. I'm trying to go to sleep. My husband's still sleeping. He woke up, back to sleep, woke up, back to sleep. But me, I can't. My eyes hurt, but I'm always on the phone. Not like this, but I don't know. I can't go back to sleep. And it's already 11:34 in the morning. So I decided to just edit videos because I don't have any videos uploaded today because last night I wasn't able to do anything. And last minute of the party last night, we do karaoke with our nephew's girlfriend. I forced her. I mean, not forcing her. I convinced her to do karaoke, so we did karaoke. And we end up finishing the karaoke almost 11. Yeah, because they're waiting for us to finish the karaoke until we stop doing karaoke, that they can go back home. Well, they live from 30 minutes away. Yeah, it's kind of fun last night. The karaoke is last minute, but we're having fun. People doesn't want to sing, they're just listening. So I have stomach pain, so I'll probably eat later on 12 something. Lunch, there is salad over there. My sister-in-law make a good salad, guys. I don't know. That's why we always want her to make salad if there's get together. This is snoring. We put the table back to small. And Tommy, remember Tommy get the black. He thought it's round, but it's not round. So we have to return this. Yeah, he grabbed with the wrong one. But we have to return that because we have a lot of that. We have one upstairs like that. It's nicer, the same size. We have to return that to get round because that's the only one we don't have. Tommy's watching Bones. And yeah, so I'm going to edit here. I'm editing finished already. I am just going to review and download it. You ready to get in? Come in. Roxy. Oh my God, it's freezing. The dog, when they get in, they're like running. I update my phone, guys. Where is it? It won't focus, eh? It told me to update it, so let's see. I hope it's not gonna get broken. Hopefully it's okay.
Indicates skeletal trauma. Now the brutal injuries.
Tommy is still watching Bones.
There was no bullet.
Yeah, contact gunshot without a bullet.
Doesn't even make any sense. What does that even mean?
Whoa. What just happened?
I think I smell something.
It's already 4:20. We don't have dinner. We don't eat dinner yet, and you know we decided to have dessert before dinner. And because I can't decide, and I don't know what time you want, so
What do you want to try?
I bring the tiramisu, and I don't know what is this. Happy Merry Christmas, Andy. Andy?
Yeah.
But it's very chocolatey, guys. Look, chocolatey and tiramisu. Here,
Which one do you want to try?
I wanna get tiramisu a little bit.
How big?
Very thin, very thin. Thin? That's good, okay? Whatever.
Really thinner than that.
That's a thin one. Okay. Thank you. Oh, it's not really bad, huh? It's really good. And it's really good.
It's not for you.
It's not really that sweet too. No, it's kind of sweet in the middle. It's like a coffee thing. Hi guys. I feed the dog. And yeah. Nandito ako sa dining room. Sakit pa rin ang mata ko, guys. My eyes still hurting. And yeah. My eyes still hurt, and yeah. I'm just gonna sit here in the dining. And look at the cat. Roxy, that's bad. Get down. Get down. I feed you already. You go eat. What are you doing? Habs, no. I won't let. We won't let them like allow. We won't allow them to scratch the thing. Okay, let's see if you eat your food. Come here. Oh, maliit lang ang kinain niya, guys. He just ate very little. We put the food in the stairs because if we put it in the office, the dog will eat it. So I just laid it here. But anyway, guys, I can't just. I've been lying down the whole day. I just let Tommy go to sleep because tomorrow he's going to the other house to try to get some stuff from that house and bring it here. Let's see what he's planning, because you know this is the only time that he can go to sleep, like you know, go to sleep just like no waking up and doing something, because he's always busy, run around even at work, you know. And he always, the thing about him, the daytime he can go to sleep like that easy. At night he always get up at 12, and then he's struggling going back to bed 12, you know, in the morning time. He is like that since he was like kid. He is kind of weird, but the daytime he can just sleep anytime, like no problem. But yeah, after that, in the middle of the night until in the morning, he's struggling to go back to sleep. There's something weird about it. Hi Rox, did you eat your din din? Are you happy? You ate your din din? Oh, you ate your din din? Are you happy now? Hubs is crying too. Hubs is crying upstairs. Hubs is crying upstairs. What do you wanna do now? Where's Hubsy boy? Go get her. Go get him. Go get him. Where is Hubsy? Hubsy boy. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Rox, come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Come here. Come over here. Come here. Why you backing up? You're so weird. Why you back up? You're so weird, little baby girl. Look, Misty's coming. Misty's coming. Did you eat your din mates? No? You didn't. You didn't eat your food. Girl. Oh, you're so whiny. You whine too much. Who wants to want something? Do you want to go out? Let's go. Who wants to go? Misty, did you eat your din? Come here, Miss. Come here. I'll show you what's your for. Come here. Come here, Miss. Come here. Come here. Oh, look, Miss Roxy, eat your food, oh. Come here. Look, Roxy, what you did. You ate the whole chicken. So now what? You ate the chicken of Misty. There's no more left treats for her. You ate the whole thing. Oh, you're being a bug girl, oi. No? You just picked the chicken and that's it? No, it's your fault, mates. Where you going, Rox? There's no treaties yet. No, don't tell her. Let's go out. Come here. Come here, Rox. Let's go out. Oh, it's snowing, guys. It's snowing. It's not like big flakes. It's very tiny flakes. Snowflake. Again, it's freezing outside right now. I don't have socks on, but oh my god. I have to bring this back. This is the cushion of the thing. Couch. The chair right there. This one right here. Yeah, I'm gonna just take it, bring it inside, and put it back to. Go, keep going. Oh my god, we have a cat. I forgot we have a cat, and then I left this screen open. I recook. We have leftover last night. We have a lot of leftover, but there is the bone. The Tommy and I love bones. Especially this is the roast beef bone. It's like spare rib of the bone of the steak. So I'll show you. So look how nice is it. I put a lot of garlic. So we're gonna munchy that, and we're gonna eat han and broccoli rabe. My sister-in-law bring us a string beans casserole and mushroom. I cook a lot of mushroom, guys. You've seen it, and that's the only leftover. And we have salad. Tommy loves salad, and I do when it comes to mushy mush. And the thing that I made also, Tommy's macaroni swallowed. This is done already, guys. I stopped it. Shut the light off. And okay, this is your glass right here. I'll get mine. I don't want it. I just want wine and water. I'm going to use Beth. I love the glass that you give us, Beth, in our wedding. The wine glass. Beth and Peter give us. I like it. There is a lot of tiny one. I'm afraid it might break it, but this one, it looks very strong. It's water glass, but you know, I use it for wine. I probably drink. Oh, we don't have red wine, but wine. Where's the one? I'll get it right here. And I'm watching this. It's very interesting show, guys. What is that? The Wrong Boyfriend. Have you heard that, Han? No, they advertise it, and I said this looks interesting. Anyway, guys, I kind of little drunky. I just finished my wine, and Sammy and I is watching a. What is it, Han? The Wrong House, and it's so funny. It's not really funny, but the prank, there is somebody spying at them. Yeah, it's a psychopath woman. Dimples and Hobbs in the dining room, and when I turned my head like this, I saw Hubs there on the floor. I think he's playing with something, a bug or something, because he do like this. He tried to run, but he can't run. It's just like sliding everywhere. I think he's trying to catch something. But anyway, guys, we're just going to watch a movie. This is not really a show. It's movie. Different kind of movie. This channel, I don't know what channel is this, but whatever. LMN. Is that it? So anyway, guys, I'm just gonna end this vlog, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Good night, guys. Told you. Told you. Told you.